Okay, so I want to continue the DOS box, and I'm very frustrated in my recording because when I upload my program in Inline, the 20 bytes hello world, the smallest hello world in the world tonight, I found out that the recording is not good, so I deleted it and now I'm recreating it, at least for the second time. Okay, so now what I'm trying to teach you is how they created the program and how they do it. Okay, so now as you can see here, there's a gnostic phone. Okay, because I search the smallest hello word 20 bytes. Okay, because during those time I try to dig this. I also try to dig what happened in the computer. So I'm always curious of something. So now there is a following my lower debug script, and then this one is hello pointer. So what we're going to do is to download MS-DOS. Visit this site, okay, and download the MS-DOS command and try for the debug command. So it is in here in version 2 and version 1.25. There's a debug, but it's not the updated one. There's no help, but it is an old version. Okay, so but I finally found in version 2 we can do this one, but we cannot do this one. Yeah, the PC is hang. Okay, so what I did after installing MS-DOS, and I unzip that one. Okay, after unzip, you know already how to unzip it, and I move it into my DOS box folder. So I move that one into my DOS box folder here on drive F, and this is the content of that program. Try to review all those. Okay, so we will run. I will run now. This is the time to run my newly. Actually, this is the newly one I installed in my previous tutorial, but I have DOS box already on my PC. I mentioned last time in one of my tutorial. Okay, so this is it, and it's up to me which one I'm going to run. Better I will run the newly installed one. They are the same. Okay, then we click this one, and after clicking this one, sit down and relax. And this is the emulator, and this is the DOS. I don't know if this one is KMO, KMO, I can teach you this one later also for the emulator. So now status is I have the tutorial already last time on this one. So now we're going to mount C, my F drive, so that I have a drive C now, and then stop drive, and we go to drive C. Now let's pretend that we are using the computer. This is the 64K bytes memory last time. Okay, and drive B2, CD B2, tab, enter, and directory, and CD bin. That's why I told you if there is dir, no Windows last time. So we are doing like that. So CD bin, and just booting the disk long time. So directory debug now. Okay. Directory debug, and this is it. This one there is a debug.com. It will be computers on lexicon, but okay. So now what we're going to do is to to visit this site, okay, and I want to split my application. So you have to press in your keyboard window and left arrow. Okay, everybody, press the window icon and left arrow, and it was divided into two. And this one I want to be on this side, but cannot be divided because it is a DOS. Let's try right click. Okay, now let's clear the screen, CLS, and let's do this. Okay. So what we're going to do now, class, is to run the debug. But like what I told you, when I tested on my previous tutorial, when I tested on my previous video, that I am frustrated, it is hanging and it's not recording what I did, so it failed. So it's up to you to do it, but my demonstration is we are going to do it actual. A for assemble, and move AH, 9, move DX, cancel 8, and enter 21, then return. So I explained already, this is the function AH, because in ABCD in register there is ABCD, then after that this ABCD they put AXB, XC, XDX, ALB, LC, LDL. That's the thing. Okay, that's why in 32-bit EAX, in 64-bit RAX, okay, that RAL, all the same. Okay, right. Then here there is a DB here. Hello. Terminate that with meaning that is the last bytes. Okay, so we are recorded. Okay, so after that this to terminate. Now in sometime today they terminate to 0 in NASM. That's the old style. So once there's a dollar, meaning that's the end of the code. Okay, so now we are going to enter that, and as you can see, 114 to 114, and press enter. You need an enter. And we're going to read the CX, the counter, and enter. And how many letters? 14. We're going to record this 14 here. 14 bytes. Then write. W means right, not this one. You are right. No. This one, right. So write. What's the file name? Not yet. N first. N. What is the file name? My teach yourself hello. Never mind. Just follow the my hello or your hello. yourhello.com, and write it and quit. Directory your, and this is it. Okay, so now as you can see here, there is yourhello.com here, and let's try your hello. Enter. Even without .com it will run. That's the rule. And hello world. So this is how he do it, and he saved this text into a text file, and there is an enter here. That's why there is an enter here. Okay, so those are the steps. But when I try to copy this on my notepad and try here, my PC hang. I don't know why it cannot rotate. This one means debug, run this one line by line. But maybe PC is overload. Let's try again. Let's try. Why not? So what we're going to do is to go to your editor or notepad. You can use that in a notepad also, or in Q editor. So just copy here and save as. I'll save as my your hello.txt on app. So Windows box under version 2, because in version 4 I don't know if there's a debug, but there's no, I cannot see debug on version 4. These are all the codes. You need to compile it, learn to compile it. I've tried also. So this one here, there's a bin debug here. Okay, so we're going to save the file here as this the one. Okay, let's name it hello.txt and let's see what happened. Okay, so what I told you, I had a frustrating record before. So that's this the thing. Type hello.txt. Yeah, right. And this is it. Meaning step by step. Okay. So now debug. Because this one is going out. Redirect. This one is going in. So this hello.txt will go into the command debug. And it will execute all, and the program will be created. And I don't know if there is an error, but in my MS-DOS version 6 and 5, I ran it before and it was working. This is the one I encountered on our DOS, right? So that's the error in our DOS, and we need to shut down this one. We need to stop this emulator and shut down our DOS. Okay, now let's try again. That's why I told you it's not working on my previous record, and this is stubborn to show it all, to show it to you again. So let's redo it, and it's okay. So now we're going to mount CSF DOS box. Okay, now if we are on C again, and no need, it's okay. After that, CD MS-DOS CDB version 2 V2 directory, and CDB directory, CLS directory, and your hello directory Y, and this is your hello.com, your hello, because last time only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the rule in file name last time in DOS. The file name should be 8 letters. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is to open that in hex. Okay, what we're going to do here is to open that file, load that file in load binary file as hex. Okay, as we are looking for the directory in F, and we are already there, right? Okay, so we're going to open our your hello. We have our your hello. this one. Okay, so I load that one. You can see this is it, the 16 bytes, 64K. The total is 64K. They never exceed on that until now. They're still using this. That's why when we demonstrate the program in my previous tutorial in Mason 32 exploration. Okay? So this is it. Okay. Now there's no colon here because there's a plot. So 1 0, then this one 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So meaning you can do programming here. Just type the sequence of this hex. You can type this one here, and you have to copying this, and you can try to run here, and just continue the counting. And this one should be 2 0, and this one is so you just count it. But now I'm trying to point it out. You can change this to any letter. Let's what letter is that? 68. So review my ASCII code. Okay. I don't know what to change, but let's try to change 1. I did not try this some ASCII code table here, but I will try to search on my PC and not memorize the ASCII code, ASCII table. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to change that. Put it hello. Okay, so I have a tutorial including the ASCII, okay, in reading the codes. Yeah, I teach you already in reading the codes, right? So what we're going to do now is to convert this hex into a binary. Okay, so I'm just trying to teach you. You can do programming like this. Okay? And you can type here all your code with direct FF or 0 free, whatever, push, move, something. So this is how they run the codes. Okay, so now this is only a flat binary. There's no hexadecimal header. There's no X header. Okay, and now we are going to put it back. Okay, we save this one. No need to save. We're going to you can save this one and keep it. Save and keep it into your pen drive. That is your original command. Save. That. So next time you can do it. You can edit and run it. Edit here. Understand here all the opcodes here. Okay. So you can see here what they use in what the code they use on that program. Let's see. Let's try to go back to those. Here when we are doing the program, let's go back here. Let's try to view it. Move, see? Move DX 108. So when you try to use move 108, it creates 01. It creates 01. Okay. So is there any opcode 01? Mob here. 01 is add now. so it's been a long time ago, but let's try here. If in mnemonic there is a mob here, mob, and there is still, there's no more zero. You see, there is. This is the family of 0 and 8-bit. So when they use mob, they use the letter 88, moving 8-bit, 16, 32, become 88, 80. Okay, so that's the command in those. Now is 01 is add now. Okay, so in 32 and in 64-bit they use this one, this opcode now. Okay, so that's how they do that. And so like what I told you, you can create a program here. And I forgot to show you again the ASCII, but I will try to search on my phone the ASCII table. Let's see what we're going to see here. ASCII table. Here the ASCII table last time. It's okay. Where we put our text. Okay, I'll try it. You find an ASCII table, but I'm not connected to the internet, otherwise it will block again. So, ASCII table. Let's try to. Okay, so let's try to use hex. Start in small letter 8, so small letter 8 is 68, so it start here. Okay, you start here 68 in your ASCII table. And we are going to type here teach. And change this to 74. Again, 74. See? And change that to 65. Teach ready E. So this one is teach. It's 61. Because it is only hello word last time, so it should be hello word. hello space world. Like that. Okay, so now we are going to type teach T74 65 61. Okay. Okay, so I pause for a while. I connect to the internet, so you can see ASCII table. You click here, and you can see here, and you can see here. Okay, A B C D F G H I. This is the hex. Okay, so this is what he did. Okay, so if you type, automatically the program will create an ASCII. Okay, so meaning you can change it here now. Okay, and 74 is teach. Choose T74, E 65 61, A 6F is O. This is hello world. As I said, hello. So this is O. Okay. So teach. This is space. So this one is also 20. So meaning from here you can remove all this. Okay, with the program till here, so we'll try hello. This is just a plain document. Okay? So hello world, and teach yourself. Teach yourself, something like that. Okay, let's follow the teach yourself, because you are just following the length of the file. Okay, so let's say you finish changing all this decimal. So this one is become teach word. Let's teach the words. Okay, let's save this. Okay, so let's save this one as to an Excel, to a COM file. This is a flat binary program, and save hex file as a binary now, and voila, bulaga. Then we are going to this. We name this one as bulaga.com. Bulaga. Within Philippines, we have this bulaga. It's like, whoa, it's like a surprise. Okay, so now what we're going to do is to run our bulaga. Let's go to our MS-DOS now and look for our baluga. Baluga is a different from bulaga. Okay, so baluga is a native black man. Yeah. Okay, so bulaga, enter Tialo. Tialo. So it's wrong. It should be teach. So our LO we didn't change. So we go back here and edit that one. Tialo. We still loaded the file. We're still loading the file. It's it already. Okay, Tialo, edit that Tialo. So that is wrong. And then you know already those how they insert the virus, you know already. And some hacking programs by Tialo. And we need to open our hello point text in DOS. to DOS box and go to last email, go to version 2. Go to version 2 and go for our hello text. What's it is it only hello text? this one. Okay, better this. What's the name? Okay, we try to open our file that is save text. Okay, we are going to open our save text file, and what's the front is, so we have two letters which is wrong. The LO become Tialo should be CH. So we're going to review here, and so should be L 6C and 6F. Tialo 6C and 6F. So we're going to change by C, teach and 68. So 63 and 68. 6C and 6F. So 6E and 6F. Let's try to change that now. This one should be 63 and 68. Yeah, correct. According to our hex record, that one should be 63 and 68H and space yellow board. I want the word capital letters. 77 is capital W. 57. Sorry, I'm going to type this one. 57. And that one becomes hello. But I want that 68T is 54. Because 68 here is small h. I want capital W should be capital T, sorry, is 54. So I'm going to change this 54. This is only a document, okay? So this is just a plain text. That's why I can delay it. So just adjust based on the fetch line encoding. Okay, so now we change this one to capital W and save this one. And how to compile it? Just save hex file as binary. And the name is Bulga. Now we are going to final doc point home. Enter. Final probe. It's okay. It should be any name what you want to put it. It's up to your class what you're going to do on that. So the name is final. Directory F. Do you have final? Oh, there is. Huh? So we open the file here, okay, we open the file here in our, we load the file, but we can open now the file that we saved. The name is save text in first rate. I'll change directory. File set the file. Okay, so click here file, then set current directory to drive F, and it's DOS box, it's DOS main version 2, bin. Click OK. So we are now on the folder, and we try to open the file. Automatically it is in the folder, and I'm going to find there is a final point though already, because we will open our save hello text, you see. Then you can do whatever you want, and after that convert that into a let's say you do some viruses. you did some verification, and you are very good already in reading this hexadecimal and the opcode and the mnemonic. Save hex file as a binary. So those, better to fight those hackers once you learn everything. Okay, so I'm not good. I'm a jack of all trades, master of none. I'll try digging all this. Then after that we are going to save the spinal doc, but there's a spinal doc already, so let's do it teach.com. Okay, so let's try if we can find the teach. Maybe the wildcard is not working on that DOS, that's why. Maybe in this DOS box it's not complete. I don't know what's happened to Mr. Peter Patterson. No, he's updating that one. He's upgrading. There's a letter from Tim Patterson on this area. Okay, so after that we're going to type here teach, but try to directory. Is there any teach here? QRS sort. It's not loaded. Let's try. Never mind. Forget about it. Teach, enter. There is final doc. Oh, there is. So meaning it is here. /w, and there is only the DOS command is showing to us. Maybe that's their there are /question mark. So the question mark, they do not have the help in the, maybe before this is a very old program. Okay class, so that's it. That's the end of our lesson. This is what we call inline patching. Okay, this is what we call, this one is never changed. We're still doing it. Inline code patching. That's why if you try some 6432, they are the same. They are the same 60. They are the same format. Okay. Last time you remember when we opened the calculator, the same format. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope let's try one, the calculator one. Last time I did it. Did I demonstrate to you? Okay, let's see. In Windows here, I told you. I will just add you review inline code patching. Okay, you review that one. Then teach yourself. Not always rely on me. I just your instructor in the beginning. In this beginning, it will grow. Like last time, I have a student in Photoshop. I showed up Control-Alt and Shift, and she is working now in a Disneyland. Disney World. She's drawing those. That's what happened. Okay, so now So after that, uh, what we're going to do now is to try the calculator. CD Windows backslash 32. And what we're going to do is to copy calc and exit to F DOS box and exit. So now we have a DOS box, but I didn't copy in the bin. So okay, no worry. Then you click these tools and let's find that load binary file as heck. And let's find the calculator in Windows home drive DOS box. So it should be here in the DOS box, and there is a calc.exe here, and double click it. See this? Are there any changes? There are also 16-bit inline. Then we're going to tool this one, and after you disassemble, you do some configuration, because you know memory the opcode and the mnemonic, and you can type this one as TeachYourSelf.exe. Teach calc. And you click enter, and now I found that the word is wrong. Okay, after that, what we're going to do, let's go to our DOS and let's go to our DOS box, FTP DOS box directory, and let's see our exit. Let's try first the calculator in Windows. Ta-da! Successful. So meaning the program is only exit. Okay? Yeah, how about teach yourself? And then, no need exit. Just teach yourself. Ta-da! Calculator. So meaning you keep this file in your house. The one, and somebody edit your calculator code, just reload that one, and no more virus again. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you learn a lot today, and in the future tense of all the people in the world tonight, strive, learn. Okay, so this is Arman, the jack of all trades, master of none. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and hope see you soon on my next tutorial. Visit my armantutorial.wordpress.com if you want a future record, because sometime I will review those code and I will put it into live. Okay, thank you so much for watching. God, peace be with us all. Thank you for the time, the effort.